Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change home screen grid on Android 16. Let's begin. So, in order to change the home screen grid, we want to go to the settings. In the settings you want to go to Wallpaper and Style, and here you want to switch from lock screen to home screen. Scroll all the way down, and here we have our layout. We have few different options. By default it's the medium option. We can go with small if we want a really small layout with lots of icons, or we can go all in with the XL option. It's probably the best for older folks out there who have trouble clicking on it, though I think large is probably enough. The XL is, you can go for that, of course. But yeah, I will stay for the medium, and after you've changed your layout, you want to hit apply, and your layout is done. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.